Oh, here we have that seal. He's like zooming between the buildings here.
What?
What's he thinking? He's just cruising. Coming along. I imagine soon he'll be heading out this way. Past all of our stuff. Maybe he's got a dinner date in town. But right now, he's been scooting along, scooting along. Here he comes. What are you guys doing?
Oh, it's coming right for us.
I don't know. I have a feeling the Antarctic Treaty says that I should get out of the way pretty soon. So I'm going to back off over this way, give him a clear path.
Back into the sun, you can make it.
He's going to be in the sun pretty soon. Oh, he says, oh, it's warm here. Yeah. A little bit of rest. He's got a long way to go to find some water. Should we offer him a cup? No, we're not allowed to do that. Alright, my hand's starting to freeze, so I'm going to stop. Hope you all are having a fun day too. Bye-bye.